So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Apurva, and in this series, we are going to learn SQL from scratch in a simple and beginner friendly way. In today's video, I will show you how to install MySQL and MySQL Workbench step by step because before we start writing SQL commands, we first need to set up our environment properly. So let's get started. Before we begin the installation, let's quickly understand the difference between the terms you will hear. SQL, it is just a language, it's how we talk to databases. MySQL, it is a software that understands and runs that SQL language. And MySQL Workbench, it is a tool or interface where we will actually type and run SQL queries easily. So SQL is a language, MySQL is the engine, and Workbench is the workspace. Alright, now that's clear, let's move to the installation steps. Step first, you have to open the browser and go to Google. Type MySQL community downloads like this, and after that you have to click on the first link that comes from my official MySQL website, that is dev.mysql.com like this. Then step 2, you have to scroll down and click on MySQL installer for Windows like this. I have taken the screenshots and you can see on the screen like this. This option you have to select, MySQL installer for Windows. After that you will see two options like this. First one is smaller size installer, and second one is full installer. You have to click on the smaller one, 2.4 MB, or the smaller one. Click on download. Then you have to click this, no thanks, just start my download. Then the next would be it will come like this, and you have to select custom there and click on the next button here. Then after that you have to select MySQL Server, and you will see then like this, MySQL Server, and you have to click on MySQL Server 8.0.23 and bring it on the other side. Okay, click on this and bring it here to be installed, MySQL Server 8.0.23. then you have to click applications, MySQL Shell 8.0 and 8.0.23. So this is server, this is Workbench, and then you have, when you will see this three options, MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. Then these are the products to be installed. Then you have to click next button, and after that click on execute, and you will see this pop-up window where it says to install Microsoft Visual C++. So if it is already installed, then it is fine, but if it is not installed, you have to install it. And after installing, you have to click on execute and click on next, execute. You will just move on the next step, clicking next button. Then you have to keep as it is shown in the picture. These are the options. It is pre-selected, I think. Then you have to click on next, selecting this, use strong password encryption for authentication. Then after, at this step, you have to create a password. You can keep the password as root or anything of your choice, and you have to remember this because every time when you will go to the software for the work, you have to write this password, so remember this. And then you have to move to the next step Yes, grant full access to the user window. Select this option, click on next and next, and the software, it will take some time and it will be downloaded. And once after the setup finishes, click finish and open MySQL Workbench from your start menu or application folders. You will see a window with your local connection. Okay, so see, once it is downloaded, you can write it here in the you can write workbench, MySQL Workbench. Click on that. Yes, so you will see the window like this. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. So here we have to make a connection. Click on this plus button icon and you can write any connection name, new connection, and you will have to set up test connection, and here you have to write the password which you have made. So my password is then you have to click OK and see here new connection is made, freshly made. So once now you are connected to MySQL database. Okay, now see, this is the interface of MySQL Workbench. Here you will write the commands. This is the run button and here you will see the output, and here you can see these things. You have to select first two, the third one is not required. So first two for this. Okay, so first two you have to select, and let's test the let's quickly test if everything is working fine. In this workbench you will see an editor area, this one on the top here, and that's where we will write our SQL commands. Okay, so we will write select 1 plus 1, oh sorry, 1 plus 1, and here is the run button. See the answer, the result is here, which is 2. So it is perfectly working fine. Congratulations, you have installed your MySQL and Workbench successfully. So that's it for today's video. We'll successfully we successfully learned how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. Now your system is ready to start learning SQL. In the next video, we'll begin with our first SQL commands. We'll create database, a table, and start inserting data step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next part. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.